Hey everyone, I'm Kate, and this is my 60-second snapshot. Just like the fashion industry, the dance world has trends and styles that come and go in waves. It doesn't matter what dance school you go to. We see them at dance competitions, at our concerts, we see them online, and there is just one thing that will never go out of fashion, and that is age appropriateness. Music, choreography, and costumes. Let our kids be kids for as long as possible. There is plenty of time for them to do all those things and wear that stuff and listen to that music way, 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 way out in the future. But right now, come on guys, teachers, dance studios, parents, let's keep our kids kids. That's all from me. I'll see you next time. Bye.